that? Bro, this is incredible. Yeah? Now you were out of there. You were out of there. We got the block back from the shop. Alright, did the one with bigger pistons, 30 over, so that takes us to a 4.030, formerly a 4-inch bore. So just a hair over. New cam bearings. I think that's pretty much it. Kept the same rods, same crank. Crank got machined. Alright, it is now almost 1, and I am gonna go ahead and start assembling the motor back up. I got some new parts here, new head bolts, crank bolt, water temp. I got a brain fart. I just need to knock this out. Oil pan bolts, front main, oil pump, amongst other stuff. So like I said, just for the sake of knocking this out, I'm going to get to work, put the camera down, and hopefully I'll check in with y'all once I have the head slapped on and the motor ready to go back on the truck. Yeah, that's right. Damn, that boy looks hot. Yeah. How'd you know it was us? I'm like, bro, who's this already following us? Oh, yeah. I saw you flash me, but I thought I was tripping. I'm just like, I don't know that person. I got back in the truck.
Yeah, you guys made the right turn. I made the right turn.
Yeah,
because I was going to try to find parking in here rather than, park outside.
Yeah.
And I saw you hop out. I'm like, oh, shit.
Yeah. Yeah, I did. But yeah, so it's not the tune.
It's not the tune.
Yeah, something's going on with the motor.
Yeah. Something going on with the motor.
It's not the tune.
134.
I'm ready to go and goddamn get some new spark plugs and troubleshoot my car.
That's what I'm ready to do.
You can see we're at the track, and so far not so good. All right, it's been running like complete crap, breaking up at the top end. I want to I thought I was about my girlfriend for a second. I want to check the spark plugs. I mean, it's like overall just like not running like how it should be. I'm missing like 6-7 pounds of boost. It's breaking up at the top end. It's not pushing water out, so I don't know if the head gasket is compromised or not. It's not pushing water out, even on this hot day. I think it feels like it's like 95 right now. But with that being said, I think I'm gonna drop out. I don't want to keep beating on it. I want to do a compression test. I don't think I have access to a leak down tester right now, but do a compression test just to give us an idea of what we got going on. Look at the spark plugs. Probably throw some fresh ones in. And then see what happens. Last time I was at the track at Virginia Motorsports Park, I put that tune back on here. I put that exact tune back on here, and it made no difference. So at least I ruled out that it wasn't the tune, because I've been having to increase the slave segment data to get it from going into limp mode. But I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna just throw that tune back on there, see what happens. It didn't go to limp mode, but it was still doing the same, breaking up, missing boost, all that good stuff. So I'm pretty sure something is physically wrong with the motor. I should have swapped out that throttle body before I came down here. Should have just got a new throttle body, because I definitely feel like a big part of it is throttle body related as well. And we'll circle back. Stick around.
Got some ass, bro.
Bro,
that one right there is over there, and then there's this other girl. Bro, I'm talking about something.
Oh, you meant like actual ass.
Actual ass. On the street.
You ready, bro? I'm gonna take it easy.
Ah, shit. You want another rag? You want the whole stack of rags?
And here is the source of our misfire earlier at the track today. Completely melted the strap on cylinder 2. Crazy work.
All right, so it looks like we are just about ready to go back to action.
That interior though.
Look at this live stream shot right now up from the sky, ladies and gentlemen. It's just... Keep that going, Cletus.
Something broke. Who you got? The blue one? Bro, that prep sound good, bro. That shit sound like Velcro. Hey, that's crazy, bro. Me and Eva.
Hey, tuck your shit on the camera.
Who y'all got? Need something by default? Hey, bro, that's some good prep, bro. Wonder how that last Mustang spun. It just had too much in it. It was close though. 86, 85.
Just 7 seconds.